Me, can't focus on me.
So me and my sister are at the hair store right now. This is a new hair store.
Camera died. Her big one is in the car. It died.
I'll give y'all a little mini tour. This is on Riverside, right next to Fashion Co. And they close at 8 because most hair stores close at 6, but the lights are off back there because you know they're gonna close. Yeah.
Yes, I'm trying to see what I want.
Okay, so now that we're out of the hair store, we're at this other store called Fashion Co. The girls that get it, if you from Austin.
The girls that don't, they don't.
But they got like little pieces like Shein, AliExpress type pieces. They kind of be overcharging sometimes, but yeah, she's finding an outfit right now. That's just what we do. I think I think this is so cute. If y'all seen that dress from Shein, then y'all would know like this is.
I have to see this dress on Shein, right?
It's like a green and black, but just like this. I would get this, but I don't like how it's
I don't like how it's
see-through.
Yeah, it's like, what the fuck I'm supposed to wear with it? Like, I kind of see what you mean now.
Trying on the outfits that she said she didn't like.
She's being a bitch, guys.
I can't
Y'all
even
wait till y'all fucking see me later. I'll be a whole different.
Una me dijo, tiene una teddy bear, tiene una finger.
So we just left the store. I really couldn't film too much in there because
Unfortunately,
the music.
you guys, that's where it gets on and popping. You can't see the signs, but they got to-go daiquiris. Daddy, you be drinking they daiquiris. I forget the name of them.
They talking about some damn point.
The lashes is giving what they're supposed to give.
Are they?
Bitch, yeah.
Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. So I did my own lashes
They are giving what they are supposed to
because like I'm broke, and I feel like I'm gonna keep.
give. Here, give him these quarters.
Oh, well, like this.
Wait, here.
It's crazy.
Yes, please.
I'm vlogging.
Oh my gosh, please.
She got her outfit. This homeless man just gave us. He clean. We needed that because these people got their brights on.
And the bitch gave me the wrong size earrings. She think just because they $1.25. You. I have to be a photographer. Ooh, I feel like Craig Daddy when he was on in the truck.
Your stomach bubbling?
Yeah, I have to go to the restroom so bad.
What?
So bad. Look, parking.
Go. The bar's coming. Just do it. Go.
Turn, hurry.
I know.
Whip it. Go on, hey. Take a ride.
Woo!
We have arrived.
We have arrived.
No ticket needed, baby. Go ahead.
Wait.
You don't need one. Hey, we visitors, quote unquote.